Eagleridge, oh Eagleridge, the Orcas is our name. For each and every lineage, we have one thing the same. I am the one who can get the job done. There's no way I can fail, 'cause I'm a killer whale. Orcas, Orcas,
we get up bright and early, then the school bell rings. We're cracking all the books so we can soar on eagle's wings.
Eagleridge, oh Eagleridge, I'll work hard for me. Eagleridge, oh Eagleridge, I'll work hard for thee.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to March Orca Awards. Woo! We're here with a wonderful group of teachers who are all here, and we're so excited to share with you who won an Orca Award for the month of March. But first, let's remind ourselves, what is an Orca Award? An Orca Award is a beautiful award that you receive if a teacher picks you for showing that you are being safe, respectful, and responsible both at home and at school when we are learning. So already each teacher picked up to 3 to 4 friends who received an Orca Award for the month of March, and let's dive right in. For kindergarten, we have Colin B, Ellie L, Johnny B, Stephanie A, Austin C, Jamil B, Neela G, Xavier O, Isabel S, Zane B, Colden J, Karina K, Lane B, Eugene W, and Nick T. Congrats, kindergartners!
Yay! And for first grade, we have Karaya Z, Lakota W, Monroe B, Mason N, Maximus H, Marley H, Nyla W, Lydia M, Callie B, Amy J, Rylan L, Kaysen B, Raylan C, Jace Z, and Anna M. Yay, first grade!
Yay, and for second grade, we have Eric K, Yamileth L, Amara M, Liam H, Tegan L, Garrett L, Lillian S, Tanner P, Tatum K, Piper G, Scarlett S, Jacob L, Quinn U, Viola H, Melanie D, Zachary F, Danny S, and Braden B. Congrats, second grade.
Nice job. And for third grade, we have Vanna P, Manat G, Victor P, Zachary M, Cypress B, Kaysen B, Yasmin D, Cynthia S, Jimena P, Adrian P, and Michael G. Nice job, third grade.
Yay!
Yay. All right, and for fourth grade, Elijah T, Kaysen D, Roxana W, Ryan Y, Olivia B, Jack C, Mia S, Adelie B, Cree T, Giuliano H, Olivia P, and Yorley L. Way to go, fourth grade.
Yay!
And for fifth graders, Skylar M, Isabella L, Natalie B, Solvig S, Mira T, Adri A, Connor P, Haley V, August S, Cole B, Zoan B, Leo V, Isabel C, Kane T, Geo C, and Tyron J. Good job!
Yay!
Congrats to everyone who earned an Orca Award for the month of March. Everyone, one final round of applause. Woo!
Woohoo!
If you haven't had a chance to earn an Orca Award yet, don't worry. We still have a couple more months to go, so keep working hard at being safe, respectful, and responsible so you have a chance to earn an Orca Award as well. Now, hey, let's head over and figure out who else we might suspect for our wonderful Eagleridge Among Us game. Bye, my friends.
Your mission is to discover who among us took the Eagleridge school mascot. You will do this by figuring out where the orca is in a picture each assembly. The suspects are Mrs. Barnrider, Mr. B, Mr. and Mrs. Fouquet, the picture this assembly is
Wow, where am I now? This looks like one of my very favorite places. It's Edeline Deary. I need to look for clues. Come on, let's go. Hey, cows, have you seen anything? Hey, wait, are you even real? I guess I should get some ice cream. That might give me some good ideas. The ice cream did give me a good idea. I know that Mrs. Barnreader is lactose intolerant. That means she doesn't feel very good if she eats ice cream, so it must not be her.
Hey, Eagleridge Orcas, just wanted to tell you about a readathon happening at our school. Your teachers should have handed out to you or will hand out to you a readathon tracking chart, and you can keep track of your reading minutes starting on March 22nd and going through April 11th, so you can read during spring break. After break, you can turn that reading log into your teacher and you will be eligible for some prizes. And the top reader in each grade level has a really cool prize basket that you can earn. So happy reading!
Hey students, welcome to our Minute to Win It. This is March and we are so excited to get to play some games with you. You guys can play these games at home on your own, or you can just watch us play and laugh at us because we're going to do our best, but they're not that easy. And if you think they're easy, you should try them. They're hard. I'm Mrs. Yuli and we're so excited.
I'm Miss Alejandre.
I'm Miss Ray. Go third grade.
Hi, I'm Miss Townsend.
I'm Misty Julio.
I'm Mrs. O'Neill.
I'm Mrs. Letton, and I love stupid human tricks. Let's do it. We got Mrs. Crawford. Sorry.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Crawford for second grade.
Woohoo! Okay, for our first game, we are going to be playing one that requires some pencils. We see our teachers are ready. They have a variety of pencils with them. how this game works is they are going to start by putting one pencil onto the back of their hand. I'm already dropping it. And in the minute, they are going to flip it and try to catch it with their hand. When they catch one, they're now going to add another pencil on and then try to catch both pencils. And every time that they are able to catch more than one pencil, they need to add another until they have many pencils. If they drop any, they need to start back at one and build back up. We're going to see how many pencils teachers can get by the end of 1 minute. Are the teachers ready? I see they have lots of, they're ready. Okay, I've got my 1 minute timer. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Got you. I went
Ooh,
Come on.
Oh, uh-oh. Townsend has to start. Ooh,
Three. I can do three.
He's on to 3.
3.
Oh, look at Miss Alejandre.
Oh, slow and steady.
Oh,
Going for 4, going for 4.
Oh, I only caught 2.
Oh,
Start over.
I got 5. Come on.
Ooh, someone has
Okay, going for 5.
2. Let's go.
Oh no, Miss Ellen. No. Oh, Miss Ray. Woo! She's got so many. Okay, 20 seconds left.
Oh,
Wow, look at how
4. I'm going for 5. Did you get 5?
1.
Oh, Miss Letton, that's so many.
We're on 7.
Oh, 7 is a lot. Okay.
Blue.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Only got 2.
I got to 4. Oh,
Exciting.
I got 6. Hardest part is balancing them on the back of your hand.
7.
Hard.
Got to 5.
you got 7?
Yeah,
Got 7.
Who got 7?
Miss
I
Letton,
did.
how many is that?
That was more than 7. That was 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Holy moly.
I want her on my team.
You want to see it again? Let's see if I can do it again. Nope.
Nope.
It's a one-time deal.
Prove it, right?
Wow.
That's a master
Well
right there.
done.
Well, my friends, I hope you had fun joining in that fun minute to win it game with us. Are you up for our next challenge? Da-da-da-da-da.
Ready.
For this next one, gently put the pencils to the side. Don't throw pencils. Gently just put them to the other side of the table. What you're going to need for this, my friends, you're going to need a water bottle. And this is going to be tricky. Ready? You don't want it to be too full. You're going to want it about half, maybe at least halfway empty. Because what we're going to do something called stick the landing. So making sure your bottle cap is secure. So that way you don't have to suddenly wash your table. You're going to try flipping the water bottle and having it land perfectly straight up on your table like this. Well, that didn't work. And that did. Woo! So this is what you're trying to do. Magic hands. Where was green screen magic when I needed it? So that is what we are going to try right now with 1 minute to go. I'm looking and all teachers look like they have their water bottles ready. Okay, you ready? I'm going to start the timer. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, close.
Oh, good flipping. You can do it. Woo! Once you do it once, keep going. See if you can keep track of how many times you can do it. I believe in you guys. Ooh. You can do it.
Oh,
Ooh,
that was so
strategies.
My bottom is all rounded from hitting it.
Make sure it's not denting in. Oh, I'm loving Miss Ray. You got it.
Woo! I got one.
Woo. If it's feeling like it really can't work, one strategy. Ooh, timer went away. One strategy I saw a teacher do was they drank some of the water to help balance it out. Good job, my friends. Keep going.
I did
Yes,
one.
Miss Alejandra. There you go. 3. Woo! Yeah, I love it. Shout out the numbers for how many you're on for flips.
Woo! I got 2.
Good job. Ooh, final 10 seconds. You can do it, team. Keep going. Keep going. Yes. Be the water bottle. 3, 2, 1. Timer. Woo!
I got 5.
5.
You got 6.
I got 5.
The bottom of mine became rounded from hitting the sides.
Oh no.
I know, mine's dented.
I know, all bung up.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this fun science lesson, my friends. I hope nobody's water spilled, but if it did, this is a great chance. Get some soap and maybe a nice towel and clean the table. I bet families would adore that. I would love it if somebody came and washed my table for me. My friends, this is the end of our Minute to Win It video. This is also the end of our lovely March Orca Awards Assembly. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and we will catch you later.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.